With Atlas's suite of scope and sequence reports, you can see all the opportunities to connect with those around you. Curriculum in Atlas is at its most powerful when connecting both horizontally and vertically. Utilize the reports to better connect across disciplines or align vertically within your own department. The scope and sequence reports in Atlas will help you reflect on your curriculum as a school, department, or individual teacher. You can see how your curriculum spirals from one year to the next by taking a vertical focus, or you can look at the connections across disciplines within one grade level by taking a horizontal focus. We will start by looking at the Comparative Unit Calendar report. This report will allow us to see the calendars of several different courses simultaneously, with an option to zoom in on any of the units that might be related. You can use the filters to find the courses you are looking for. Perhaps you want to see how addition and subtraction are taught in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. Once you have checked off your courses, you can close the pop-up window to run your report. Once you click Submit, you will see the calendars for the courses that you chose showing up side by side. This will help you see how each course is structured, and you can get an idea of what each teacher is teaching and when. You may want to find units that have similar content to see how the information is being taught at each grade level, and look for connections or gaps. You can now see the units side by side. Here, you may notice different resources or ways of teaching similar information. This can start some great conversations about the strategies being used and what is working best with the students. For example, you can see that the 3rd grade teachers use a poem that might also help your 2nd graders. You may want to share this report with your colleagues so that you can discuss it next time you have a PLC or team meeting. You can always zoom out to get back to the calendar. From here, you can compare different units, or save or share this report. Instead of seeing the calendar side by side, you can change your view to see different categories side by side with the scope and sequence report. Now you can select the category you would like to see and view the report. Here, you can see the content that is being taught in each unit for the courses you selected earlier. You can view more than one category by choosing multiple category, scope, and sequence, or get a bird's eye view of the curriculum with Unit Overview to see what units are taught throughout the year. You can reset your courses at any time to look at different information or go up to Actions to save, pin, or share the report. You jumped between the reports from the report screen, but you can also head up to the Main Reports menu anytime you want to run one of these reports.